G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Okay, today we've got another review video of Dinky Toys, and if you've been new or old to this or been in it for a long time, you'll know Dinky Toys was back in the old pre-war days, and then also for a long time after that, for a while before they ceased. I don't know exactly when they ceased, but the situation is this is one of the older ones. This is one that we're restoring, of course, and it's in not too bad a shape, with the metal base, the one rivet, and the old woody wagon. Alright, so made by Meccano Dinky, so some of your first sort of ones here. Anyway, this company here is called Atlas, but they still have the rights to all of the Dinky toys, as obviously they must have bought them. I don't know the deal prospect, but the situation we're here about today is just to talk about how good they are, and if they are any good, and whatever. Okay, I've got a few of them there that have arrived. We have a few more coming with Studebaker trucks with the truck and like the pickup and the trailer and them sorts of things. We also have what they call an Opel, Chevette Opel over, and it's actually, in Australia, it's actually a Holden TD Gemini. So what we're going to do is we've got a few of those sorts of cars coming over, and we'll show them and share them with you as well. Now, I've been doing diecast for quite some time, my little tiny years of age, until my second childhood, as my wife would say, or friends would say. Anyway, moving right along. Here they are. They're still all metal. Still in a nice little box, which is identifiable as what they are. Quite a nice quality box all the way around. Got all the info on them like they used to have. A little bit of a story there about the van and that sort of thing. And the van is actually quite well made, very tidy. Casting lines are very clean. That's obviously a bit of rubbish from that there, so it doesn't come like that. Also, these doors here are metal, the doors. So I don't know if they actually open or not. I can't remember. I think they do. Here we go. So that's all metal hinged up. Plenty of room inside to do whatever you want to do. Nicely detailed. Still has all the tin plate base like the old version. Whoop, here we go. Still the same writing on the Dinky Toys, all that sort of stuff and everything. Right, so they would have had to have bought all the rights and everything else there. Anyway, this one here is your beautiful little Citroen van. A little 2CV Citroen van. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little model. Now it comes like that there. It comes all nicely wrapped and packaged. It also comes in this little stay unit here, so it doesn't go floating all around everywhere. Now they make all the other stuff there. We've got some other stuff that'll be on the way soon, and we're in discussions with another company. So the situation is we've got some of your older Chevrolets and your Chryslers and all that sort of stuff. You know, your big fin stuff, all them sorts of things coming as well. Right, so here we go. We've got a Chevrolet Corvair. Most people are pretty well. Now look at that. That's beautifully made. Paint on it's nice. Now it's fogging up because it's cold in here. It's not the actual quality of the car. Okay, so as you can see there, very well, nicely detailed all the way around. Rubber tyres and all that as well, of course, the same as what's on the Citroen van prior to that. Nice interior, nice sized interior. Nice front tampos, all been painted up nice. Well, no tampos, just all been painted up nicely. But very nice. Just remember, all of this fogging is only because it's cool in here. Otherwise, beautiful finish, nice car, good quality screens. The screens even look good on them. Okay, moving right along. Now, there's no opening parts. That's got opening parts. Now we come along to the Citroen. The Citroen's absolutely gorgeous. Just remember, this fogging is from me because it's too cold in here. This has got opening parts underneath the bonnet. As you can see, all of the engine and everything in there. Boot, obviously the boot's empty. So we'll just take it out of the little tray. And underneath there you can see it's all nicely made. It says on there it's the Editions Atlas Mattel. Well, the Dinky Toys, that tells another story, doesn't it? But anyway, it's got all of the codes. All metal, rubber tyres, beautifully done, beautifully detailed. this one obviously been on display in our stall somewhere. So I'll just give it a little bit of a quick brush. There we go, guys. And you see inside the engine bay there a lot better. Nice and good spare wheel and all that sort of. Now it's got to open it. And that's really heavy, solid as, beautiful. And this is how they come packaged, of course. All got nice quality boxes. All got the transit and all that sort of stuff. Just pop him out so you can have a look at him. This is a Cibie spotlights. He's well aware of that. You're in the motor industry, also been around cars and all that sort of stuff. Now just remember, all of this fogging up is because of the temperature in here. It doesn't have, it's not the quality of the paint on the vehicles. I will stand by that and guarantee it. Look at that. Nice little van. Cool little Cibie van. All nicely done up. Like the old Dinky stuff there. Still all the rubber tyres on it there. Beautiful, nice tin metal placed base. Yep. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that. And it also comes in a little unit which you can easily work out which way it sits in. And goes in there like that. So there we go. That's our Atlas Dinky Toys, made by Atlas in China. We've got some more good quality ones coming, but just a review on them. They are actually quite nice models. Actually really nicely done. Paint is quite very nice. Well, the ones that I have here, they are. Just remember, every company does have problems where they do have little faults every now and then. These things are mass produced, and if they were made made 10 of them a day, we'd be paying ridiculous prices for them. Anyway, the prices are great. We've got a link that we'll put in the description. Have a look through their store. Tell them where you come from and all that sort of stuff. He'll send them over to you. He's got 100% feedback. We've got more coming from him. So stay tuned. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And we'll catch you on the next one. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye for now.